Hey there, today we're going to look at how to print a board in monday.com. So let's get started. First, head over to monday.com. Over here, click the login option at the top right corner. After that, you can either sign in with Google or type in your email address. If you use the Google sign in option, select the correct email address. Once logged in, select the board you want to print by clicking on it. Then, in the top right corner, click on the three dots. Over here, select More Actions from the drop down menu. After that, click on Export Board. Then, choose the option to export the board to Excel. Over here, tick the box to have a copy emailed to you if needed, then click Export. Once exported, go to your email if you chose that option or check your downloads folder. Then open the file in Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets, navigate to File, then click Open. After that, click on Upload and drag the exported file into Google Sheets. Once the file is open in Google Sheets, press Ctrl plus P to bring up the print settings. Then adjust any print details and hit the print button. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.